A closer look 1. 4. Listen and repeat, paying attention to the difference in the underlined pronouns. Circle the pronouns that sound strong.
1.
Can you come and give me a hand?
OK, wait for me. 2.
Did you come to the party last night?
Yes, but I didn't see you. 3.
Look, it's him.
Where? I can't see him. 4.
They told us to go this way.
Well, they didn't tell us. 1.
Is he there?
No, everybody else is, but he's gone home. 2.
Do you know that woman?
Her? No, I don't recognise her. 3.
I'm afraid we can't stay any longer.
What do you mean we? I've got plenty of time. 4.
Look, everybody's leaving.
What about us? Shall we go too?